2012 CT200H. The Lexus CT200 Hybrid pairs exceptional fuel efficiency and superior handling ability with aggressive styling to create a luxury hybrid vehicle that looks great and handles even better. Going green never felt and looked so good. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, alloy wheels, air conditioning, front, cruise control, four-wheel ABS, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, front floor mats, aluminum wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.